Hello everyone. Happy Mother Language Day to all. This is Roshan. My mother tongue is Bhojpuri, and I will here present about my language, Bhojpuri. This is a short presentation, which is which consists of four sections. And first section I will talk about script, and another section I will talk about importance of saying. The third section will deal with contribution of poets in our society, and the fourth part will discuss about revisiting our music culture. Okay. So as I was saying that see when we speak Bhojpuri and we write Bhojpuri, uh, some of says that it is like Hindi only. Uh, the reason behind is that the script of Hindi and the script of Bhojpuri is same. It is Devanagari. But there was a time when script of Hindi was not a script of Bhojpuri was not Devanagari. It was Kathi, and this has the Kathi was traceable to at least 16th century. And when when we were using Kathi script, like around you can see here that around 1880s, or even when East India Company came, we had schools like North India, West of Bengal. At that time, we were undivided. So that time we had schools in primarily we had three scripts for one language only. One was Devanagari, another was Mahajani, another was Kathi. And among these all scripts, Kathi was one of the most. It was very neutral in the sense of that both Hindus and Muslims were using it. Okay, but later Devanagari was used by Hindus, and Persian script was adopted by Muslims. To give example over a script, that how one script for the same language scripts also changes. The Marathi is one of the example where they were using Modi script, and after that they started using Devanagari only with some modification. Okay, so so in next slide I will discuss. I will emphasize about that whenever we communicate in Bhojpuri, we have a very common practice of using sayings or kahawat while communicating to each other. And why we do that? Because it it makes our conversation more intense. Okay, these all things are adapted from these all things are taken from Akhar.com, which is which supports this movement of Bhojpuri, and using Kathi script very vigorously, and I shall say thanks to them as well. Uh, so here in the templates, which you can see is that the first line is written in Kathi, Ek Kahoot Roj. The second line is Hindi only, and then again the same thing is written in Kathi, and the second line is Devanagari only, but the same ye is written in Kathi, and then meaning is given in given in Bhojpuri, and again in English, like एक दिन के गईले सुगा मोर होके अइले. The meaning is अपना से ज़्यादा चलहाँक दिखावल या सभ्य बने के ढोंग कइल. like looking down upon the society you have been part of for long. Like you go to some, like you go Patna, you go Delhi, or you go Bangalore, you stay there for 1 year, and then you come back to your village, you saw as if, oh my god, you are very talented, and like you are very modern, and these all these all people are cattle class people, so you pretend that you're very gay. So that is that is the meaning of this saying. Another template you can see, हाथ धरत धरत पहुंचा धराइल, uh, means that give an inch and he will take them all. It's like a British East India company which comes to just for doing business and then occupy everything. So it is like same. So the using these sayings are very frequent in our culture. Okay. Next slide, I will talk about that how a very prominent Lok Kavi Rasool Mia, who was contemporary of Bhikhari Thakur, born in Gopalganj and born around 1872. One was the flag holder of Natak Nautanki Parampara. We call Bhikhari Thakur Shakespeare of Bhojpuri, but surprisingly, Rasool Mia was also one of those who started this Natak Nautanki Parampara, and he has written about very sensitive and very various topics which were very common at that time. He has also written about killing of Mahatma Gandhi in his poem. It was and he has also written about Rasool Ke Ram, okay, another viral poem by him. Okay, and his was so popular at that time that even today Bhojpuri culture deeply quote him or take adaptation frequently from his poetry. So the poem and the left corner has inspired the soldiers so much that a few of them left the job. So it was about freedom fighting. He is writing that छोड़ द गोरकी के अब तो खुशामी बालमा, एकर कहिया ले करब गुलामी बालमा, देशवा हमार बनल इया के रानी, करले हमनी पर ई हुक्मरानी, एकर छोड़ द तू अब दिहल सलामी बालमा, एकर कहिया ले करब गुलामी बालमा, which translates into stop obeying orders of Britishers. Up to what extent you will follow orders of them? Stop giving salute to them. So, and it inspired soldiers so much that many left the job. Okay, he has also written about killing of Mahatma Gandhi. As I said, के हमरा गांधी के गोली मारल हो, धमाधम 3 गो, कल ही आज़ादी मिलल. We got independence yesterday only, like recently, and then they have started this. So he was very the next slide which I will talk about is Gorakh Pandey. He is from UP, Devariya Jila. Was born in 1945. Born in very low income family and had seen enough adversities in childhood life. He lost his mother in very childhood. Later did his master in philosophy from BHU and went to JNU for doctoral degree. I think of him as a pass of Bhojpuri, pass, a Punjabi poet who says अगर ये देश उल्लू बनने की प्रयोगशाला है तो हमें इस देश से खतरा है. और सेज कि गरीबी की मार सबसे खतरनाक नहीं होती, सबसे खतरनाक होता है सपनों का मर जाना, ना होना, सब कुछ सहन कर जाना. So he has written about socialism and will written about Samtawad too. कि socialism will come. How it will come? Through horse, through elephant, through vote, through currency, through Gandhi, through some revolution. So he depicts an element of sarcasm who keeps saying that socialism will come and everybody will get his right. Why? Because everyone looks the same. Like socialism and the bottom of society, like every leader comes and says that, oh, I will give you samtawad. Everyone talks about samtawad, but no one does. So it is like, similarly as Renu has described in Mala Achal, where Susiling party will lose its aim and will become similar to Gandhi Mahatma ka party, where everyone comes and give bhakan. So this is about that. So that's why I call him Pass of Bhojpur. Okay. So the next slide is about the Bhojpuri song. And recent Bhojpuri songs have left a horrible impression, and so bad that the only Bhojpuri song we hear in other state is Lollipop Lage Lo. My bad. So it's not about, if we the one who speaks Bhojpuri don't know much about our own culture of songs. So I will I will end my presentation by singing a song which describes about the importance of mother, and will say that Bhojpuri is more than lollipop and all. So those who knows about Bhojpuri, and the song is like this. हमनी के छोड़ी के नगरिया ए बाबा, हमनी के छोड़ी के नगरिया ए बाबा, कि अरे बाबा छोड़ दिहल घर परिवार, कवन बनावा मही गईली हो, कि अहो बाबा सगरो गईले अन्हार, कवन बनावा मही गईली हो। गौआ के लोगावा केहू केहू से न बोली, छोटा का लइकावा तो भुरई से आँखों नहीं खोली, सुनसान भैली डगरिया ए बाबा, सुनसान भैली डगरिया ए बाबा, कि अरे बाबा निमिया हो गई पतझर, कवन बनवा मई गईली हो, कि अहो बाबा सगरो गईले अन्हार, कवन बनवा मई गईली हो। Thank you everyone.